Hello, welcome to uSpeak channel, Transforma tu vida. My name is Leticia.
I'm Gertrude.
And today we're going to show you how to make green bean casserole as a side dish. So let's get started.
It takes 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, a half a cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, a dash of pepper, 4 cups of cooked green beans. You can use 1 1/3 cup of French fried onion rings. I added an additional flavor by using 250 grams of bacon bits and 1 chopped onion just to give it an additional flavor. But the original one was without the bacon and the onions. I'm going to start with the can of Campbell's soup.
So what is the origin of this recipe?
Actually, it's a recipe that's been around since 1950. It was originated by the Campbell's Soup Company, and the lady that invented it just recently passed away. I read in the newspaper. Okay, after the soup, you add half a cup of milk.
And what can you serve it with?
Okay, it's part of the traditional Thanksgiving recipes, but usually some people make turkey. Other people that don't like turkey will serve it with ham. And they also have mashed potatoes.
So how much soy sauce was that?
Soy sauce was 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon, okay.
You're going to give me a dash of pepper there.
A dash.
And the green beans are here. They are actually 4 cups of green beans.
And if you buy fresh green beans, how do you cook them?
You have to take off the ends from the stem, and you cook them for 20 minutes in salted water, so then they are cooked.
Okay. And you take away the excess of water, right?
Yes, because you're going to put them here with the soup.
Okay, so now we're adding the onion rings, right?
Onions.
French onion rings.
French onion rings.
Okay.
Somebody asked me, can you fry your own onion rings? And I said, why? You can buy them. I'm going to put it in the dish.
That's the dish, right?
Yeah.
What about the bacon and
Okay. This was an added ingredient, chopped bacon and chopped onions, regular onions, besides the onion rings we already added. It's very popular at uSpeak.
It is for our Thanksgiving celebrations. So why do we celebrate Thanksgiving?
Okay, Thanksgiving was first celebrated because the pilgrims that came across from England were actually dying of many diseases, and they didn't really adapt to the area to where they arrived. So it was the Indians that taught them about cooking, and the things that normally were used were things like green beans, things like potatoes, and also fresh fowl, which to them was a turkey. But like I said, many people have changed it to ham. If you don't like turkey, you can also use ham. Okay? So basically, we have already mixed the ingredients here in this casserole dish. We're going to bake it for 25 minutes at 175
degrees Celsius,
okay?
which is 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
After it's there for like about 20 minutes, all the ingredients are already cooked. So all you have to do is take it out and then add an extra portion of the onion rings.
So in the last 3 minutes, we put the onion rings on top and remove
the remaining onion rings.
And we remove the cover and let them there for 3-4 minutes. And so they're ready. You want to see them? Ready? This is the green bean casserole. Looks delicious. Some baked potatoes. These are very simple, just with a little bit of olive oil and butter, salt and pepper, and some roasted chicken. So now you know how to make green bean casserole. And this year Thanksgiving is on November the 22nd.
But it's not on the same date every year. By presidential decree, it is every 4th Thursday in November.
So this year you can consider making something for Thanksgiving. And please like, comment, and subscribe. Okay? Share with your friends this video and all the other videos we have for you. And remember, en uSpeak tenemos el curso para ti. Te esperamos en Plaza Covadonga. Thank you. Bye bye.